Dude, why is my oh, my mic's working. Good. About music. No. Voice meter. Chat disabled for live stream. Actually make me change. It's so annoying. It makes me change the link for the YouTube chat every time. Hold on. Yeah, this shit by name. It should work. Okay, I think that's working. One second, guys. I don't know why music's not working. It's not coming through right now. Let's see if I play. Oh, that's working. That's not what I want to play though. I'm also like so annoyed by all this copyright shit. My videos, my VODs keep getting taken down. I think like why can I not see my my Brave? It's not here. Dude. Ah, Brutus, what's up? Things are just annoying because I don't want to get DMCA takedown on my VODs, but every time I thought I'm doing this correctly, like I basically set it up so that the VOD track doesn't store the music, but like the live track does. But like it's not working. So music stream track, it's on the stream track. It's not set to the recording track. Well, actually, okay, I think we can check this pretty easily. Let's go to Twitch. See, like, my VODs aren't even being like stored. Wait, how do I have 3 subs? Who subbed to me? Oh, does it count me as one? So it's actually just 2. I know you are, and I know Smirky is also. I didn't know there's a third right now. Well, here we go again into my channel settings. God, streaming is so annoying, dude. Settings? Yeah, I think it's settings. Okay. Does that make it so that it starts recording it now? It's the free one and I hate ads. Alright, I won't let it get to my head, dude. So when I enable that right now, it doesn't just start recording this video. Like normally it'll show up on here. Stop unmuting. Well, it just sucks. Like I want to just play some music to have a chill stream. But I can't. Okay. What about YouTube? Let's go check YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna just play music, I guess. Let's see if it goes to the live. Well, the thing about YouTube that's weird is like I don't understand what the difference is between their live and their recorded. Like there's not a place to see, like it's just live. There's no like recording going on anywhere. So like obviously if I play some music right now, it's gonna come through, right? Yeah, it does. But that's I guess that's expected. And it just stores these broadcasts. Maybe we need to look this up. How to play music live. Okay. Copyright. What are you doing today, Brutus? On this grand Sunday? No, this isn't what I want, dude. Wait, Reese? Yeah, this is stupid. I just can't play music for you guys, like, if I'm gonna stream on YouTube, I guess. I mean, I can, but it'll just get taken down. I'll research this offline a little bit. Let's just play some, like, it said that Restream actually has music that you can just, like, add. I've never done that before. I don't know how to do that. We can just look up SoundCloud royalty free. Oh, gosh, what is that? SoundCloud free. Oh, but then I was having this other problem. So now if I play this, for some reason my browser is not streaming the music. Yeah, you guys can't hear this. Where is it in sound settings? You can change it by app. Aaron multiplayer's not following. What's up, Aaron? How we doing, dude? You came to the right stream. Big Dog might have found himself a new girlfriend. W Riz. Howdy, bro. That surfer accent be getting to the ladies. No wonder this kid hasn't responded to me for a fucking week, dude. The ego is just immaculate, dude. All of a sudden, he doesn't have time for me anymore. How do I change the app? The app output. App volume. Ah, here we go. Okay. Does this come through now? Yeah, it does. Okay. Alright, we just get to play fucking lame, no copyright music for the stream. I'm gonna try to figure this out for next time. I'm gonna make your own music? Nope. I'm not a recording artist. Okay, let's get to this multiplayer game. Oh, by the way, Brutus, you'll love this. Oh, I know he's gonna talk mad shit right now. Not using netcode for game objects anymore. Starting a new project. We're using fishnet instead. She's a good woman this time, Spady. Dude, to be honest with you, I didn't even know Colin broke up with his ex, I guess. His most recent ex. No shit talk, good decision. Alright. I'm glad that you respect my decision. So, you wanna know why, though? There's literally one reason why, and it's fucking horrendous. I don't know what's going on at Unity. I don't know what's going on at Unity's headquarters. But the fact that their netcode for game object can't support nested network objects is mind-blowing to me. Sorry, I should say nested network game objects as prefabs. Can't do it. Fucking disgusting, dude. I'm absolutely not doing that. She can hear you right now, Spader. You're on the speaker in the car. Nah, dude, are you serious? Seems odd. I know, it is pretty odd. Wait, Mikey, are you serious? Don't be serious about that. I'm out here just talking about game development like a nerd, and I'm on speakerphone. Well, does she think I'm already a nerd, dude? That's not fair. Blew my whole cover. Alright, well, what do we... You have to give me a topic, though. If I'm gonna talk about Dogmata, Colin, whatever, you gotta give me a topic. Am I, like... Is this, like, me replying to him on Twitter, like, backing him up? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Later you're a nerd, there's no cover, it's immediately evident. I mean, it's kind of facts, but, you know. Sometimes I can hide it for a few minutes. Go in? Dude. Why are you doing this to me? Dogmata, dog. Yeah, still call him Dogmata. Oh my god. It's okay, he calls me Spader. What do I know about Dogmata? Well, I met him, what? 5 years ago? Oh my god, it's like 5 years ago, dude. Maybe 4 years ago, I can't remember. Playing Fortnite? Both nerds. We met because he was hiding in a fucking tree or something. And then he just came swooping down and just shit on me and then came into my chat. Called me something. And then I wanted to get in a fight with him. But then he kept coming back to my stream and then the rest is history. We became best buds. We were just the duo king for a while. Whatever game we played. And this man gets into content creation, blows up because he works his ass off at everything he does. That's not even a cap. Followage is 4 years, 276 days. Oh my god. I don't know. That's our history. He's like, okay. Colin is like, how do I describe this dude? He's just the. Okay, actually, okay. I have two things. I have two things to say about Colin. One is that the dude just never stops joking. I don't understand what's wrong with him, but he literally never stops joking. There's some screws loose in there. But two, this is real talk. I don't think Dogmata has ever been actually mad at me. I've definitely been mad at him, but that's my own fault. But I think that's a quality. That's the best quality of Dogmata. I've never seen him legitimately angry with anyone. Because there's been a couple times when he just is beating my ass in games, and I just lose my shit, and I tell him I'm never gonna talk to him again. It's happened. I'll admit. It's happened at least twice. Oh shit! Can you please take me off speakerphone? Thank you. Can do. Well, I'm just gonna be talking about this stupid game I'm making. Where are you guys even? Wait, where are you? Colin said he's hard. Dude, there's no way you guys are actually there. All of you. It has to just be you. It has to be just you and Colin. You guys are lying to me. And you're just doing this to get some shit out of me. Trying to make me sound all authentic and get in my feels. Discord. What the fuck, dude? Okay, why is Dogmata looking so sexy though? What the fuck? I didn't know you wear all black now. This man just like freshly trimmed every hair in his body or something. I swear to God, I don't know what it is. I can't really put my finger on it, but that's just the first thing that kind of came to mind. This man just took a 30-minute shower and shaved. Dude. What are you guys doing? Where are you? Where are you guys? Are you in Ohio? I swear to God, dude, if Dogmat is crossing state lines again. Dude, this takes forever, man. Oh, Mikey, dude, look at that. Look at that facial hair, dude. I don't think the old Mikey could grow that facial hair, dude. Okay, finally, man. Finally, this shit is running. Alright, we got a little FPS game going. Oh, I need to change this. Hold on. Alright, let's start the server. Start the client. Ooh, okay, we got our FPS game going. Let's spawn in our second guy. Yo, dude. We're playing multiplayer. Okay, we're good, we're good. He didn't even cross city lines. No way, dude. Dude, okay, why? I don't know why. Why does Colin's face just look different, dude? I don't know what it is. Has this man been running like a marathon every day or something? Like, I don't know, dude. His jawline is just looking defined today. Okay, what else is Mikey telling me to say from Discord about Dogmata? Oh, wait. Mic's on? Oh, wait, shit. You guys didn't hear that? Okay. I need to make this input system. But check out this player map. Wait, how do I get like a... There's a way to, player map. I thought there was a way to, like, generate one by default. Wait, to a restaurant for a double date? Alright. I'll see you guys later. Have fun on your double date. Give Dogmat a big kiss from me. Oh wait. Whoops, I can't do that anymore. Alright, I'll see you later. Okay. I Ugh. Okay. Jump? Let's make this called jump. Oh wait. We want to add positive negative binding. Okay, it's not that. Add binding with one modifier, add binding with... I think it's just add binding, so this is just gonna be regular for jump. And then it's gonna be keyboard. Any keyboard by character mapped to key. I don't know what using US layout. By character map to key. Probably this. You can sell my dude. Okay, buddy. Just space to jump. Okay, let's just add this for now. Also, autosave on. Delete this one. Oh. Wait. Okay, let's go into our prefabs. Is Brutus back yet? Brutus is still gone. So player, I think player should have jump, the ability to jump now. Is it the input manager? Does this get called? Let's see. I don't think it's gonna get called, but God, there's so much going on that I've been learning with Unity. I can't remember anything anymore, dude. Okay. Oh, God, I need to change the setting, man. I really need to make myself some what are they called? Templates. Start server. Yeah, it doesn't call jump. I know I've watched one of these.
So
The
you
input
need
system.
input strong or use a break. It's down and we can just pick back up. If you go and in Visual Studio, the input system or anything like that, then you need
Unity input system. That
to regenerate your CS projects in Visual Studio. So in Unity, if you go up to Edit, Preferences, and then External Tools, you'll see this section Generate CS Proj Files for, and in my case you notice Registry Packages is unchecked, which is where we downloaded the input system from. So I need to make sure that it's checked, and I need to regenerate project files. Then I should be able to go back in my script and type using Unity Engine.input system, and that should...
okay. Yeah, got that. Oh, it's some, yeah, what is it? I can't remember now.
come up. So back in our editor, let's take a look at a few ways we can go component. We could type in player input, and here you'll see there's a bunch of options.
Yeah.
Most importantly, it says that the actions field is controls, and you'll notice this asset, it's now in our folder. And if we double click this and open it up, and a UI, which could be like enemies or something like that. And if we click on player, we can expand, let's say, the move, and there's be like enemies with a bunch of different things. So we have action maps for player and a UI, which could be like enemies or something like that. And if we...
Oh, wait, how do I... Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. We just need a general like settings. Need this. Just drag this into settings. I wonder if this needs to be there. Oh no, now there's 2 default prefabs? Dude. Oh, what have I done? It like forces me to keep this one. What the fuck? Okay, hopefully we're good now. Okay, yeah, we can spawn again. Okay. So.
And if we double click this in like player control, and so we could go ahead and hit create actions and just save it as something like
Okay, now it creates a base one. Got it. Let's jump. And now we will add space. Defaults. Player jump.
player control. It actually pre-populates us with something like the things here. They're your movement, much simpler ways of doing this. So I'll go ahead and delete those. Let's focus on just converting this simple movement script into using the new input system. So with our using statement at the top of the script, we can go down here and say public input action and call it whatever you want, maybe player controls. And back in the editor, if we go to our player controller script, you now see player controls as a variable. And so if we hit this plus sign, there's a bunch of different things you can make. But in terms of capturing a horizontal or vertical movement, what we want to do is add a 2D vector composite, because this translates to a vector 2D. And similar to the example, I can call this WASD for keyboard controls, and we can now go ahead and configure these different commands. So for up, we can double click this, and in the path I can press W, and you'll see W keyboard, or you could also set up. So to do that, what we can do here, what we want to say is player controls dot enable, and then conversely, what we want to do is enable. We actually read the inputs. We can go ahead, and I'll just comment this out, vector 2, which in this I'm now much simpler. All these you would have another and leverage the one that Unity already, and I'll select create actions. I'll call this player input actions. This is where you have example option. We want to select this and hit apply. Top right, I'm just going to use this for the example.
Okay, this is what I wanted to do.
On the top right, there's a generate C# class option. We want to select this and hit apply, and it will create a C# class wherever your input action.
That's what I wanted. Okay. Forgot about that part. So let's move this into scripts. Generate. Apply. Cool. We are also going to go in here and change project settings, editor, and enter play mode options. Check that. So I'm pretty sure now that something... No? Unless maybe I need to add this to my player.
We're located. So now in our player controller, what we could say is instead of input action, we could say player input actions, which is the name of that script that was just generated. And in here, what we want to do is add a void awake method, which is another Unity event. So in this awake method, awake gets called as the game is loading. And in here, what we want to do for now is say player controls equals new player input actions, which will just initialize the script. So if you actually open up this player input actions and scroll through, it's pretty scary if you don't know what you're looking at here. But the good news is you don't really have to mess with it. So if we open up this input map, you'll notice we have a few actions. We have move, look, and fire. I'm just going to focus on move and fire for now. So what we can do is make a private input action called move and a private input action called fire.
Dude, this is not how I saw the last tutorial, bro.
Hello and welcome. I'm your coach.
Oh my god, 45 minutes. This one? I have to go open up my other project at some point here. Let's open up Pong, I guess. Fuck, dude. Just completely forget how to do this. I did it really slick in this other project. Now I can't remember. Player, is it an input manager? It's not an input manager, right? There's a way to add the methods here. I don't think it's Flash. Let's look at, what is it? My player paddle, player input. Events. How come I don't have events here? What? Like, what? Oh, invoke Unity events? Is that what I need to do? Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. This is what I like. Move, look, jump. Okay, so I'm gonna come in here and we do public void jump. Okay, so this should... Oh no. Something called jump. Interesting. Oh yeah, yeah, it's because we need to do... Yeah, maybe this isn't the best way to do it, but it's a very Unity way to do it, I guess. So where's jump? Jump, jump, jump. Low. Oh, it's player controller. Whoops. Right? Player controller. It's gotta be jump. There. Oh, popped. I guess they started separating like things out like that. Oh, it's the one that matches it. That's why. Okay. Matches the input. All right. Cool. Yo, Derpy boy, what's up, dude? How we doing today? Okay, let's make sure this input is working. Start server, start client. It's still not working. Oh. It is work? Wait, that's confusing. Oh, any input. Wait. Oh. I think I I think I know what I did. Events, player. This is move. Yeah, this should not be move. This should be jump. Okay, now let's try this again. Nice. It works. Except, are you working on a player controller? I am, yeah. I'm using the new input system, which I have like a little experience with, but not very much, so just kind of like trying to remember how to use it. But also I'm working on a multiplayer game, so you can see the server and client buttons in the top left, right? So those are to control a multiplayer lobby. So mainly I'm working on multiplayer, but yeah, I'm getting the character controller going in multiplayer. I just made a perfect FPS controller in the new input system. Very new to Unity. Yeah, I mean, well, what'd you add? Because you know, like they have like the default, right? If you just add it, it adds like this default player one. So with like the move, look, fire, and jump. So I'm just kind of like using the default one right now and then linking it up to multiplayer. Did you add anything beyond that? Use custom input actions? Like you're talking about you added your own actions here? Nice. Yeah, sorry. So that's what I was asking. Like which one what custom ones did you add? I just added jump. It's a custom one, I guess. But yeah, I've done tons of first person controllers. The issue is I've never done it multiplayer, so that's kind of what I'm working on today. Okay, so now let's break this controller out into the input actions. So Okay. Are you using the code from the Unity docs? For the input manager? Or from the multiplayer? For your player controller? No, I just kind of like made my own. It's really simple. Like, this is just a really fucking basic one. Ooh, something's not working. So when I changed that, something stopped working. Oh. That's right, okay. Wait. Oh, whoops. No, I meant to just keep that away. There we go. Okay. Modified the Unity docs code for the player controller for the input system and added a look system, and it works really good. Nice. Hell yeah. That's cool. So what kind of game are you working on? Just a first-person shooter? Oh my god. So stupid. Yeah, let's try this. Over FPS? Nice. How long you been working on it? Alright, start the server. There we go, okay. Yeah, I was just being stupid. Cool. Rigs? Nice. So I'll show let's see if this works. Hold on. Nice. I think it works. So I have two screens up. You can't see the other one, but hey, look. I spawned in another player. So we have multiplayer working properly. Pretty cool. Okay. So next I need to separate out all the other input actions. I kind of wrote this not thinking I would use the input actions, but now I want to, so I'm just like, this is like a really basic character controller I wrote. Now I'm just changing it up so it uses the input actions. public. Multiplayer so damn hard, dude. Yeah, it's a fucking menace to work with, dude. I've put it off for so many years, but I finally want to like actually start making multiplayer games. So I've been working on multiplayer now for a couple weeks. I tried a few different. The problem is like it's really hard to get good information about which system to use, like which networking solution to use. At this point, I'm convinced that fishnet is 100% the right way to go. And I think there's like a lot of people using netcode for game objects, which is like a Unity solution. And to be honest with you, it just sucks. It just is not ready. There's so many issues. You can't, for example, you can't make nested prefabs if you're doing netcode for game objects. It's fucking horrendous, dude. Nested prefabs are just not supported. It's so insane. But in fishnet, it is. And actually, there's this, I found this spreadsheet talking about like the three kind of primary options: mirror, fishnet, and NGO, netcode for game objects. And it goes through all the different features they all have. I mean, you can basically see that fishnet is like pretty much green down the column the whole way. Like, it pretty much can do everything. And you'll notice that... Where is it? Nested prefabs. Netcode for game objects, which is literally Unity's solution. It doesn't support it. But in fishnet it does. Rudy, so you're going out for dinner? Alright, man. Figures you'd leave it. Yeah, I know, bro. I'm gonna try to stream these hours on the weekends a little more often. I'm gonna try to make that my schedule. Dirty Boy says there's so much info, but it sucks. So I'm using a Linux server on a virtual machine, and it works fine. Are you talking about for multiplayer, or? Oh, well, that's just the server. That's just where you're hosting the server, right? I guess. Which of these three do you use? Yeah, unless you use a different one, I guess. Oh, you do use fishnet? Okay, cool. Continue to change, just conjecture. Well, to be honest with you, I'd rather stream at this time. The problem is on weekdays, I just can't stream at this time. Okay, so I kind of forget. We look at this input. So for move, there's like a WASD. So if we go into player and then we go to events, move. I forget what kind of information is contained in context. So Derpy, do you remember like so I'm doing this WASD move function, right? Do you remember how I can get like which key is pressed then? Brain is fried. All good. I'll just have to look at the docs real quick. Let's just go look this API up real quick. What were we?
And to enable what we can see, as those are the two move stable. Instead of setting the move direction to the player controls, we can set this to move. And once
Oh yeah, it's read value. That's right. Okay. Read value. Read value. What's it gonna give though for us? Remove. You been on a fucking bender or something, Derpy? Dude, I feel like when I'm like really into Unity, like I'm like really intense about it, and there's like something new that I'm trying to do and like learn and make progress really fast, I fry my brain like that too. Like I just keep going until I like break down, dude. Okay, so there's an up. See, I've done this before, I remember. Then like if it's like a single axis, this isn't a single axis though. Composite type 2D. Like I'm trying to remember. So if I add, let's just add like a fake new axis. Oh my god, can it not? Okay, maybe we need to take this autosave off. Yeah, I remember you can do like axis, right? Is it vector? Before you specify it's a composite type? What is move? Value, oh, it's a vector. Vector 2. But then there's like this WASD like sub properties. Like, what is this, dude? Axis or pass through, but axis works better. I'm trying to get like, so basically, do you understand, like, you understand what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing this move function, right? Which gets called when WASD is pressed. So then I'm trying to figure out which, is it WAS or D? Or like, I guess is it up, down, left, or right? From the context that gets passed in, I'm trying to remember, like, how do you get that? You gonna pull up your code and see? Alright, thanks, dude. Read values of vector 2, I think. We said 2D vector. Oh, wait, this is called a composite. How do you even get that? Add binding, add up, down, left, right, composite. Oh, okay. You can just add it directly like that. Oh, you gotta load up your laptop? All good, man. Take your time, take your time. You think, I wonder if this, so have you heard of Find? It's basically chat GPT for developers on steroids. Let's ask it if it knows this. How to know what key is pressed. Unity when Unity input system composite. You only know ChatGPT? Dude, I highly recommend this shit. Oh wait, and we want to turn on the best model. Hold on. Okay, give up. What did I just type? I don't want to type it again. It's really nice though because this training model is specialized for developers. It's a little slower though. That is one of the drawbacks. Direction? Bro, who uses arrow keys? Wait, what did I say? I didn't say anything about arrow keys. Come on, Find. You know we want to use WASD. Okay, but it's isn't that legendary though? Like, it's so fucking good. It's way better than ChatGPT. Like, there's no way ChatGPT would have known this. Okay, vector 2. I just found out about this like a week ago. Did I also try to make an FPS? MSLW, sorry man, I wasn't looking at YouTube chat. How's it going? I have no idea how long ago you said that. I hope you're still there. Also streaming on Twitch, just to let you know. And to answer your question, 100%, you should definitely make an FPS. Because why not, dude? FPS is like the most fun game to make. Alright. Okay, it's working. Yay. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's tiny, but it's printing out the direction. So then I can say like, we can say float move x equals x, y equals direction dot y, and then we can just say, Unity pulled up. All right, let's see what it says. Your move key says input. Well, yeah, it might say that, but how are you actually, well, inside of your method, how are you determining which key is pressed? Are you doing it like this, where I say like vector2 direction equals context.read value vector2? Oh my god, no way! Revere is here. I hope I'm saying that right. I actually don't know how to say your name, I've never known. Is it Revere or Raver? Revere. Alright, hell yeah. Dude, what's going on? I'm actually streaming early enough for you to raid me for once. Damn, it's been a little while. I haven't been here streaming a bit. How's it been going? Alright, Revere. Still doing space game stuff? Redid the FPS IK. I have a second on move just called move, and it has all the code, but also it's just in your stream. Oh, nice. The man is always live. Legend. Got a clip for us? Alright, let's check this out.
New rig that I've been working on over the last little while, so...
Oh my god, hell yeah.
We can now crouch, look up, look down, you know, rifle, you know, space game, space trucking game. And yeah, so what we're working on is if I kill an NPC over here, we can then take said NPC and put them on the ship. So for like bounties, you know,
hell yeah.
we can just go and, you know, and like everything, the zero gravity works. So if we just kind of like yeet them into the 0G, there they are in the gravity volume. And you know,
dude, that's sick. Aubrey, what's up? First time chatter, how we doing? So, oh man, I have a lot of questions. Cause I'm like, I don't know how serious. I'm just playing around with the game right now, like a kind of a test game, because I'm doing multiplayer stuff. But I'm super interested in first-person shooter models and stuff. So what are like the key things that you changed and went back and redid that I should know? But yeah, I'm just kind of working on like a little test FPS arena shooter game. A lot of the fine tuning in the animation rigging package. Aubrey, you from Restream? Animation rigging package. Is that a Unity package? Yeah, okay. So wait, okay, so you didn't do this in Blender? You didn't do your animations in Blender? Oh, you're just looking for some game dev streams, Aubrey? Hell yeah. Well, working on first-person controller and multiplayer stuff today. That's interesting to you. Let's see. We're getting all the tips from Revere right now. Black EC's runtime of animation rigging package. Nope. Saves so much time. Okay, so that's the main reason. Is it just because like you feel like the workflow between Blender to Unity is really clunky and low? It's like slow iteration time. Is that kind of by hitting the main points? Doing it. Okay, well let's fucking import it because I'm gonna probably need it. You still don't believe in hard baking it? I see. Aubrey, are you a game dev? Oh my god, I'm getting so many packages. Okay, he said... like samples? Where did this just go? Oh, did I need to go back into the package manager? Samples. Okay. Did it import? I imported it, but I didn't get the samples. Let me get the samples real quick. Okay, you're just changing the reference positions. Wow. Okay. Let's check it out. Samples. Jeez, okay. Is there like a scene? Okay. Which scene should I check out? Start with 2-bone. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm in URP. Is there a URP import for this? There's gotta be, right? Just do the window tool to update it. Okay. I know how to update it by selecting the materials, but I didn't know how to do it like for the whole project. Where's rendering update? Render pipeline converter. Then should I just do like material upgrade? Wait, oh, initialize and convert. Uh-oh. Lead with some errors. fine? Okay. Is it just a... Oh, it's because they're custom shaders. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Just this two bone. It's like legs. Hit play. Okay. Okay. Nice. So what, you're saying you basically take these and then you just fine-tune them for your player models? There's a builder. Oh, shit. Okay, that's sick. You have your character with a rig? No, well, unfortunately not really. Like, I'm just working with a cylinder at the moment. I haven't really got that far. When you do, I'll show you. Alright. Sick. I mean, I'm sure, like, from you showing me this much, I'm sure I could figure it out, but basically it was like, I didn't even know this fucking existed. So this is pretty cool. I'm sure I can figure it out some other time. Alright, let's check the other one out. Said... aim. Okay. Damn. So here, you need to do is change the floating red target. Wait. Here, all you need to do is change the floating red target. The rig does the rest. Oh, I see. Okay, you're saying like, Good. Well, okay, sorry. So, I kind of understand what you're saying, but I'm trying to think in terms of like if I implement this. Okay, so there's a target. Does that mean I have to like actually like if I want to use this, I have to just make a prefab? And what? I would just like along the vector that I'm aiming like with the camera dot main or whatever, just like some distance away, just like create like some random aim target, and then if I want to, I can just make it invisible. Is that what you do? Game, I have a transform that's like 100 meters in front of my face, and it's always moving with the controller. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, yeah. Damn, and it just does the rest for you, dude. It moves. Okay, and then you can see the rig. How does it? Okay. Aim head. Yeah, I'll have to look at like how it knows like what bone is the head, like and what ways to find so that I can sync that up when I make a model. Or is there a way to like... Dude, this is blowing my mind. So do I even like you need to use Blender? You still have to use Blender to make the model. And then you rig it in Blender? Or you don't rig it in Blender? Yes, you still have to rig it in Blender, right? Make it and rig it in Blender. Gotcha. Okay. Rigify's fine. Cool. Okay. Works on Fishnet? Hell yeah. Have you done much multiplayer? Is it fine if I rig it with Mixamo? I'm guessing it's fine as long as you create any, you know, typical rig. Wow, alright. Yeah, this is gonna be a big time saver down the road. Holy shit. Like, Fishnet is the way to go, right, Revere, for multiplayer? Like, I was trying netcode for game objects, and I was liking it and liking it and liking it until all of a sudden I realized I can't nest network objects in prefabs and spawn them. And then I just instantly got turned off of it. Exactly. Okay, so okay, I'm glad someone else is what's the word? It's not justifying. Can't think of the fucking word, dude. Someone else is has the same opinion. I can't think. My brain's fried. An issue with mirror? Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's a bitch if you're trying to like do complex rigs, for example, like with cameras and shit. Like, this sucks. Okay. Oh yeah. Thanks, Revere, man. That was awesome to see. I'll definitely be putting some time into this pretty soon. It'll make sense once you get your character done. Okay. I mean, I think yeah, like the overall concept's making sense, but I guess like yeah. I mean, making animations, yeah, essentially baking those animations and exporting them, and then like you find out like, oh, like fuck me, like I need to tweak something or something's off, and then like that iteration process is pretty painful. It's not like we're developing AAA games over here, dude. Are you? Are you developing a AAA? Oh, oh, you linked. I didn't see the link. Okay.
Kia ora, welcome back. In this tutorial,
Okay. Cool. I'll save this. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, I'll check this out a little bit later off stream. All right. Well, man, I've been all over the place lately. Doing tons of different shit, bouncing around between projects. Right now, this is a test project for me, kind of trying to understand Fishnet. So, all I'm really doing. Still working on a procedurally generated game. Where it's kind of like a terraforming game, but it's procedurally generated world. We're just, right now, me and another developer that are working on it, we're trying to weigh whether or not we want to like try to do multiplayer. So we're doing some multiplayer test games before we continue with that. Download FPS Land. It's a fully working example of exploding goats. Ooh. Alright. Is that a GitHub repo? FPS land, a full server authoritative FPS demo. Oh, is this the
FPS Land is a full server
Ooh,
authoritative
nice.
first-person shooter demo. Everything from character controller movement all the way to weapon firing and even audio is server authoritative. FPS Land uses client prediction to ensure the movement is in real time for the client and validates movement on the server. You start with
Oh, what?
2 firearms and 1 melee. FPS Land also has grenades which can be picked up around the map. In addition to full server authoritative design, FPS Land uses lag compensation to ensure accurate hit results so you never miss a headshot. FPS Land is available with Fish Networking Pro members today. Check out the description of this video for more information.
Drink up. All right. I gotta get the water bottle. Damn, I was actually thirsty. I needed that therapy. It used to be a mirror project back in first year games. Mirror. Recently converted it to the latest fishnet. You'll learn on the load from just reading the code of it. First year games own YouTube videos kind of stuff. Okay. Cool. I mean, that's pretty sad. I mean, the whole like server authoritative stuff is pretty confusing to me. Like I, in general terms, understand the concept of like if you're the host and like, yeah, hosting the server or whatever, like it has like tons of problems and shit when like other people connect to the client and like, yeah. Anyways, you can tell that I don't actually know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I generally know like that in any scenario where you have like a semi-competitive game, like you have to have server authoritative shit. And then like whenever I look up any tutorials on all this stuff, it's like never fucking uses that, right? It's like it's always just like player host lobby and then clients connect. Your latest best fishnet guy? Oh yeah, I was checking this guy out earlier actually. I'll subscribe to him. Good fishnet tutorials. All right. Yeah, actually, I think the one that got me up and running was his intro. Where is it? Yeah, I think I was watching this one or something. Oh no, this is VR. Anyways. He had some like 7-minute video getting started with fishnet. There it is, multiplayer in 7 minutes. I watched it earlier. Yeah, it was pretty good. That's all I can offer? Dude, thanks, man. No, that all helps so much. Hell yeah. Game development is just so expansive. You know, it's just like... Spend 2 months on one thing, you're like, alright, I'm pretty decent at that. And then there's like, wait, there's like 4 fucking other things I need to spend 2 months learning. But I'm having a lot of fun with multiplayer shit. Like, I feel like I want to try to make multiplayer games in the future because in terms of like streaming and viewer experience and like sharing, it's just so much more fun to like be able to build a multiplayer game. Like, I don't know, people involved with it are, it's just like way more fun for everybody. God, I need to close some of these. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Where is the projects? That actually. Ah, here it is. Okay. Oh, it's on the asset store. Fuck yeah. Oh no, that's unit. Or that's fisherman. Alrighty. Let's clone this bad boy. Check it out. Days ago commits? Damn. Song's kind of a vibe, dude. I had to convert to DMCA stuff because I've been dual streaming to YouTube. It's honestly been a pretty good day off SoundCloud. Kind of impressed. Ooh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Uh, Dude. Stupid assemblies. It uses this assembly definition and it's not finding event system. Well, let's just look at how the scripts work a little bit. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. This looks gnarly. Dude, this is the type of project I don't even know if I can reverse engineer. Okay, well, it's a little too much for me right now. I'm gonna kind of do the simpler shit and learn this myself a bit, then I'll come back to that for reference. Let's get back into what I was doing, which was we're making this input manager do the move stuff. Yeah, let's get back into our normal scene. Yeah, what's in here? Basically works. I think I reversed something though. It's like the opposite of what it should be. What the fuck? Oh yeah, why is it like that? What? How is that even possible? -1. So weird. Yes. Cool. Cool. Trying to convert this into using the input system. So basically, I mean, like, we should just be able to do move direction. That should just work. Right? Interesting. So how does the input manager do held keys? The input manager has these events, player, move. WASD. It should be like on key down instead of key press, but I don't know how to actually. Zero normalized. Input manager key held down.
Today I'm going to go over interactions within Unity's new input system. I'm going to be going over what they are, how to use them, and also implementing your own custom one if you'd like. So I already have this project set up. For this you'll need the input system installed, so go to Window, Package, System. And then you can install the input system. You can go to, so just select that, and you can exit out, and then you can click this drop down button, Packages, see other showing action, and you can name it, player controls. Let's just call it map, and then an action. So I'm just going to call this a tap action, multiple bind. A whole video going to explain 5 different default interactions that we can add: hold, multi-tap, press, slow tap, and tap. For example, if we add in the press interaction, you'll see that a couple things pop up here. We have a trigger behavior, which is press only, and a press point. So to better explain what all this means, first I have to explain what exactly an interaction is, and why changing this trigger behavior and press point are important for the interaction. But what is an input pattern? Provide us, subscribe to along pattern. Or understand that if you're not familiar with the input system.
Wait, so is that it? Dude, but I don't. Well, I guess.
Started is when you have
Controls changed a value. Okay. Why? Wait. Why would their default controller be value here then? Unless I guess that's just I guess it could control the current. No, but then if you like release it. It's way too loud, bro. Wait, okay, so right now when I do this, it does it 3 times. Okay, so it calls it again when it's released. I don't know why it calls it 3 times. It's kind of weird. Controls. Oh, okay. Okay, there's phases. The interaction is waiting for input. The interaction has been started. That is, it receives some of its expected, but it's not complete yet. Okay, so that's just like it's been pressed. The interaction is complete? What? Oh, okay, so that could be like held. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. So if you need to like click on something to like say it's like a spinning wheel, you need to hold it down for 1 second. It could be like started and start spinning the wheel, and then performed is when it like does it, and then calls canceled after your button has been released. Okay, that makes sense, but still, I don't feel like that's what you wouldn't want to use a button or like a value then for player movement. Button started being pressed, but has not necessarily crossed the press threshold yet. Button was pressed to at least the button threshold.
Started
Okay.
the action. So, for example, if it's a button, we started pressing it down. Performed is when the interaction is complete.
Let's go to the hold
So let's see
interaction.
the hold one. So for the hold, you see we have a press point just as the press interaction, and so this more applies for triggers on gamepads and that sort. We also have a hold time, so this is important. So this is how long you have to hold down the button for it to register as performed. If you lift your finger up before these 0.4 seconds have passed, then this action will be interrupted, aka cancelled, and that is the event.
Well, okay, maybe it's just this isn't the way to actually do it. Like this just should change the direction. So we'll have like a we have a move direction. So then we just say move direction equals this. And we're not going to do any moving. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's call it input direction. That's what I should do. Input direction. So I forgot, move direction also incorporates the direction that we're facing. So then we'll say input direction dot x and input direction dot y. Okay. Oh my god, it's doing what it was doing before. It's going the opposite way that I would think it should. Like, what? How does that make any sense? Bruh, I don't know. Okay, now it's working properly, but like, how? Why is it the opposite from what I would expect? Does the player have like a rotation about it? Dude, what the fuck? Okay. I have to print input. Was it? Oh, wait. Oh, interesting. I didn't. Okay, so it was the same thing. Current, but why would current speed and x be the input direction dot y? Is that actually right? There is no x and y, dude. It's z and x, I guess. I really just hate Unity's 3D system. I don't know why they had to do it that way. So technically this should be like z. Well, but it's not. Curve speed is z. It's called z. No, wait. So let's see. Player, if we go forward. Forward with 0 rotation is we're going in the z direction. I think this should be reversed, to be honest with you. That's a very semantics thing, but whatever. Okay, cool. We're good. Okay, so let's make a on running. Move, jump. I kind of like naming these on more than just move. Well, maybe we can just name the functions that. Like these could be called on move and on jump because it doesn't, I don't want to imply that we're actually moving in that function when we're not. So sprints. Jump is a button. Button, okay. Shift. Whatever, shift, it's fine. Okay, then we come here in events. We have sprint now, cool. On sprint. Ooh, okay, this is a little confusing now. So it's a button.
Then this action will. So back to the editor. So the interactions will.
Okay, so then we have to get the I don't know what the read value is here. The button, or is it a value? On axis. It's on integer. So let's see how. Yeah, okay. Oh, you can do trigger behavior. Interesting.
Press and release, so it'll perform this action when you press and release it. And the press point is 0.5, which is
Press and release. Okay.
in the middle of 0 and 1. You can change this put setting here. You can create a new setting, hold time, tap. So let's see the hold one. So for the hold, more applies for triggers on gamepads and that sort. We also have a hold time, so this is important. So this is how long you have to hold down the button for it to register as performed. If you lift your finger up before these 0.4 seconds have passed, then this action will be in back. So you'll see we have a hold interaction. If you want to do this, why can't you just put this on the action one? Well, luckily I have a script for that. So in this script, I have two references to two different mesh renderers, and this certain action, the other one. So once you enable and disable the action, if it contains it, but negated. So if it doesn't contain the slow tap and the hold, then we return. We don't even want to execute this script.
This is actually, she has a go-to tutorial on this.
Let's take a look at a slow tap interaction, and for this, you need to import the Unity engine.input system.input. And you can use this. And just to show you what I mean, I've attached the script to a slow tap, multiple interactions, slow tap and hold. And so I'm going to show you and the hold being set. Hold it down, registering, because the slow tap has precedence. Now if I let it go, it's green. But if I type it quickly, you'll see that two more quick things I want action through script if you'd like. This is the controller, which is gamepad, and then the string change is the left game. Use this kind of found that useful. Now I'm going to quickly go over custom interactions if you'd like to make your own. So I'm not going to go over
Big value button. Good. Dude. What? Big value is button. Okay. Let's try that out. Let's try this out. Got the shift. Okay, yeah, it reads out a Boolean. Phase. Okay, so I feel like I wanted to do this instead. Like if text dot started. I'm gonna say, I don't know. I just don't want to accidentally do it twice. At least in the future, when it matters, maybe. Is running is not. I guess is started and whatever, it's fine. Back from subpar dining. I'm about to get off, I think, unfortunately, Brutus. How was the subpar dining? So I'm just thinking, like, okay, the only time you would really need to do this is if you had some like startup time on the sprint, like say like you needed to hold shift for some amount of time before it actually started working. So I'm just gonna say fuck that. One line that shit. We don't need that. But maybe in the future, it's definitely something to pay attention to. Calls this function 3 times. When it starts, when it's performed, and when it's cancelled. Okay, nice. The shift sprinting works. Cool. And I suppose, I don't know, if we really wanted to make this better, like... Do I care enough? I don't think I care enough. Yeah, whatever, that's fine. Alright, what's next? I should probably get off. I gotta go, probably. Brutus, are you even there? You are. Nice. Well... why is the dining experience so, unjust? Oh, the cruel injustice was me leaving right when I got back. Maybe I'll stream again tonight. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, I'm just struggling, bruh. Well, we got some good things done. Like I integrated the input system with Fishnet. It's working. Guess that's cool. I was thinking of making a YouTube video that's like I created this game using 3 networking solutions or something. Back to making videos, algorithm slave. Well, that's what I'm trying to work on a little bit, like, but I need to play around with this a little bit. So, I'm too tired to do voiceovers today. I can't do it. I published a video Friday, so it's not like I haven't published in a while. But I need to up the content. I think. Instead of doing like generic Unity tutorials. A little more interesting content. There's so many like tutorial monkeys on YouTube. I have to differentiate somehow, you know. A voiceover for your videos for a low price of $1 syllable. I got AI voiceover, dude. Well, you better not say GUI, dude. Better say GUI, dude. That's fucking $2 instead of $3. I might make a player model and rig it. So actually, you missed something earlier. This dude Revere, who I know, he's goated. Super good game dev. He came in, he hosted me, came in a chat for a while, was talking to me about fishnet, all this shit. He told me to do this animation rigging thing, so we were looking through the animation rigging that Unity provides, and it's actually pretty goated, dude. I'm not gonna lie. And fishnet works seamlessly with it, so I try to make like a player model and then use the animation rigging within Unity to like sync that shit through fishnet next. Don't fuck with me, Brutus. Let's make a grenade next, actually. That's what I'm gonna make in this game. I have to go, but I'm gonna make a grenade throwing, because that'll be easy to see. We'll make like a little grenade. Create. Well, actually, let's just create it here. Let's create like a little sphere. Grenade. We're gonna make it a network. The network object and a network transform? I always forget this, man. Network object and network transform. Cool. What about Space Game? I mean, we definitely have not forgotten about it. It's just like we're trying to figure out if we're gonna do multiplayer in it. Please fix Trello. Damn it. Okay, let me. I'll check that for you right now. Let's do that as a goodbye present. Where's my... How do I find my other works? Oh, here we go. So how do I share this? Here. Does that work? I mean, you know, no, doesn't. Oh, did I invite you as a member? Oh, I just did share. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Dude. Can't. Oh. There. Does that work? There we go. But yeah, I mean, we're trying to figure out if we want to make this a multiplayer game or not, essentially. So that's the big thing. Okay, anyways, next thing I'm going to do is make this have grenades. We're going to fuck around with that a little bit. And edit it safe. Cool. Good. And, yeah, we're just going to mess around with this project probably for a few days, and then I'm hopefully going to make a video. You know what actually I'm going to do? Instead of well, okay, what do you think's better? Real quick, because I have to get off. What do you think's a better title? Either I made this game in 3 networking, and like using 3 network solutions or something, or I could say like I made the same game using fishnet, what is it? Network for NGO and mirror. Like I could say that, or I could say like stop using NGO 2023. Or I could say like why I still don't use NGO in 2023. I feel like why I still don't use NGO in 2023 would be better. I have to go Brutus, so. Don't tell people not to use a built-in solution. Too polarizing. Well, it's just my opinion. I think it's pretty legitimate opinion. Literally, that guy Revere that I was talking about that came in earlier, he's definitely a better game dev than I am. He said the exact same thing. But why you don't use is good. Oh, yeah, well, actually, I'm not saying don't use it. I'm saying why I don't use. That would be the title, right? Okay. All right, I'll see you.